from the first time I saw ya. You were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome. If it is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. All we do here is hair review, okay? So gorgeous, the hair we'll be reviewing today is from Yoowigs. You can see it came in this kit bag. The hair texture is kinky, yeah, yaki, something like that. Yeah, I think it's yaki texture. Let me bring it out for you guys to see. So this is it in this plastic bag. It came with a hairband. Ooh, this is lovely. And a card, okay? I don't even know the inches. Okay, don't worry guys. I don't know the inches. The inches is not written on it. I'm going to check them. I'll put everything on the description. Don't hesitate to check that out. If you're interested, head to the description box. I'm going to put all details about this, the length, the texture, the everything. In short, everything about it will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out in case if you are interested. Okay, yeah, it's Yaki texture. You can see it's black. It is 5x5 lace wig. You can see that it came bleached and the hairline came pre-plucked as well. You can see this is gorgeous. We like it when the hairline came pre-plucked. Oh guys, I am so happy. If you're lazy like me, I think you will be happy each time you see any wig that comes with the hairline pre-plucked and the not bleached. Ooh, life-saving. So it came with some combs. You can see in here inbuilt adjustable strap. Okay, there's a comb at the back, middle, and by the side. That's so cute. So let me just try this wig on for us to see how it's going to look. Since it's 5x5, you can coil this hair. You can coil it. If you want it coiled, you can do that. I'm not going to coil it. I'm just going to leave it straight the way it came, okay? But you can coil it if you want. So let me wait for us to see. Okay. This is so cool. It's center part. You guys know I love center. When it is center part, I am happy as well. I don't know why I like center part. I really love center part. With this my round face, you guys know I have this kind of round Chinese face. So that's why I like center. Any wig center goes with my face. The shape of my face. You can see, let me see. There's no tangle. You see? It doesn't tangle and it doesn't, okay, shed little, just little strand that comes from it, shed little, but there's no problem about that. Okay, so this is it on. You guys can see this. Okay, to do baby hair? I don't think so. I don't think we need baby hair. But if you want to bring out baby hair, there's no stress, no problem. You can do that. When you leave the hair like this, it looks more natural than when you put all this baby hair. It's just my opinion anyway. You can do what you want, what you like. You understand? Everybody is not the same. But to me, I like it when the hair is just like this in front. There is no, I don't bring out baby hair. Ah, this hair is so full. This hair is so full, guys. It's so full. One thing I like about Yoowigs, their hair is of good texture, quality, okay? They don't share and they last longer That is one thing I like with their hair. I have so many of their hair. I have for years. I still wear them till today. So they last longer. Their durability is long. Okay. So that's one thing I like with their hair. Their quality is so nice. And they always pluck the hairline of their wig. You can see this. So even if you want to bring out baby hair, you see, and if you don't, it's still cool. But we are not bringing out baby hair. No. So let me just cut the lace from it. This is easy. I think this will be the easiest wig I've ever installed. Like I said, if you want to like coil it, you can coil the hair, okay? You can coil it. But I don't want to do that. You can just coil it big coils. Just make it full. But me, I don't want to do that today. So let me just cut the lace off.
Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody.
Come here, I'll use wax stick since the hair is disturbing me. It's coming forward. Let's use wax stick.
Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, cause they don't.
In case you guys are hearing any noise, pardon that because we are working in my house. We are doing renovation, so the guys are here. So in case if you hear any noise, you just know that it's from them, okay? Pardon that.
You know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll.
Wow. This is it. The thing just lapped on my head. I'm not going to glue it down. It laps because I crossed the adjustable strap, the inbuilt adjustable excuse me, the inbuilt adjustable strap. I crossed it, make it so tight. That is why if you'll be watching my videos, you know for some time now I don't glue my wig.
No, they don't.
Use this to touch the front as well. This is just to blend the lace on my skin. Why I like this kinky texture, it looks so natural, like your natural hair if you are black, okay? That's why I like it. I'll use my hot comb just to flatten the front. Guys, you can see it's very simple. That is it. That's the finished look of this hair installation. What do you think about the hair? I like the texture. Everything about this wig is giving me life. Okay, so beautiful. And the other thing is that you don't have to do much about it. Okay, see, it's 5x5. It looks gorgeous, so gorgeous. This is really gorgeous, guys. I really like the hair. I like the texture. I like everything about the hair. Kinky. Look at this. This is so gorgeous, really lovely. So much love this. So I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Don't forget this wig is from Yoowigs. Okay, all right guys, bye. Thank you so much. Bye. Ciao.